Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So we're going to have a look at the additional details form, and this was something that I covered just in a previous video. So when we go to the additional details form, you can see we'll just unselect this option just here for this category, but you can see what appears to be the basic layout of the additional details form. Now, a feature that many people have asked for is how we could go about customizing the additional details form to coincide with the categories that are being selected just up here. So what we've done with this demo website has three top categories. So it's got home services, health and wellness, and professional services. So we're just selecting home services. And then when we go to the additional details, we can see the category selection is listed just here. And we can see the additional details form. But what we've done is we sent the MCP into this website and we asked the MCP to create fields on the additional details form based on category selection. So let me just show you what I mean. So again, we'll just look down here. We can see that the form is just a basic default. Let me just click on cleaning services. And then when you go down here, you can see now there's an extra section that is applicable to cleaning services. So basically then the person can select the options of in respect of their business. Now this is just a demo website, so we've just got three samples just here. Let's say that they offer another type of business as well. So maybe they offer cleaning services, landscape services, and pest control services. So we've selected three categories. When we go down here now, we have three sections, three additional sections that has appeared based on the fact that we've selected three service categories. And this allows you then to start collecting relevant information in terms of the categories that are being selected. Now, if your website has hundreds and hundreds of categories, then building something like this isn't going to be very practical and will be a lot more complex than what we have here. We've got we've got 10 categories here. In under the top category, home service has been selected. So there are 10 categories here. So it's a manageable amount of categories in order to add additional fields to. And as I say, we've added three additional fields to pick up information related to that subcategory. So it's a really, really good idea. Obviously, there's a couple of stages to this. Not only do we have to build out the additional details form with logic so that when they're selecting a certain category, the relevant information displays, but then what we need to do is we need to carry the variables and the variable selections over to the profile page and determine how we're going to build that into the profile and make that tidy and be part of the profile structure. So it's not just as simple as building the logic in the form, because you need to consider what the output's going to be when the form has been completed. But it's something for you to consider. Again, if you're interested in any MCP work, we use our own MCP at Membership Websites. We connect it to your website and we go in and we start customizing your website to a much, much higher level than would be possible with manual input. So if it's something you're interested in, head over to membershipwebsites.net. Remember, we're doing free homepage designs at membershipwebsite.net, so you can sort of see what the MCP can do in terms of your current homepage and then compare it to a redesign that the MCP does for you. And we host that on a demo website so that there is no interruption to your own web page, and it's a free service. You only pay if you want to implement the design that's been created. So you can check that out again at membershipwebsites.net. But I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.